Step into a world of endless adventure with our Single Unit FRP MAPS outdoor playground equipment, designed to ignite joy in every child's heart. Featuring a vibrant premium double wave slide in red and yellow hues, this playground promises exhilarating fun while ensuring safety. Attached to this exciting setup is a two-seater swing, inviting kids to soar through the air with laughter. Climbing to the top is a breeze with the sturdy blue ladder, granting access to all the thrills this equipment offers. Crafted with the finest quality materials, our playground is built to withstand the test of time, requiring minimal maintenance for maximum enjoyment. Let your children's imaginations run wild as they explore, play, and create unforgettable memories on our durable and safe outdoor playground equipment.